The modern house is visualized by the building experts, bringing together contemporary architecture, open-plan living, and a strong connection between the interior and outdoor spaces. The home presents a clean and sophisticated character, with simple geometric forms. As we move inside, the home opens into a bright and spacious living environment. The open-plan layout brings the kitchen, dining, and living areas together, creating a seamless space for everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen features contemporary cabinetry, warm wood tones, and a large central island that provides both functionality and a natural gathering point for the family. Large windows throughout the space bring in plenty of natural light, while creating a strong visual connection with the outdoors. Moving further into the home, the living area becomes the main focal point. The double-height volume creates a sense of openness and gives the interior a grand and impressive character. Floor-to-ceiling glazing fills the space with natural light, while offering beautiful views toward the landscaped exterior. A contemporary fireplace adds warmth and becomes a strong architectural feature within the living room. The home also includes a compact home office and library, creating a quiet and dedicated space for work, reading, and study. Built-in shelving and a simple, comfortable workspace keep the room functional while maintaining the modern aesthetic of the home. The furniture arrangement is kept simple and elegant, allowing the architecture, proportions, and large windows to remain the focus. The main floor also includes a stylish and functional bathroom, designed with a clean, contemporary look. Modern fixtures, refined finishes, and thoughtful lighting create a comfortable space that complements the overall design of the home. Moving upstairs, the staircase becomes another important architectural feature of the home. Clean lines, glass railings, and natural light create a bright transition between the two levels. From the upper floor, we get a different perspective of the double-height living space, highlighting the openness and vertical connection between the floors. Further along the upper level, we enter the private areas of the home. The bedroom continues the same contemporary design language, with a restrained color palette, warm flooring, and carefully selected furniture. Large windows provide plenty of natural daylight while creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Moving through the bedroom area, the design transitions into the dressing and bathroom spaces. The dressing area provides practical storage while maintaining the minimalist aesthetic seen throughout the residence. The additional bedrooms continue the same modern and comfortable design language seen throughout the home. Each room is thoughtfully arranged with comfortable furnishings, warm wood flooring, and large windows that bring in plenty of natural light. The clean walls, simple decor, and carefully selected finishes create a calm and relaxing atmosphere, making these bedrooms ideal private spaces for family members or guests. The bedrooms also include practical storage solutions, keeping the spaces organized while maintaining the clean and uncluttered appearance of the interiors. Together, these private rooms provide a comfortable balance of functionality, natural light, and contemporary style, while remaining visually connected to the overall design of the home. Throughout the residence, the design focuses on creating a balance between functionality, comfort, and visual simplicity. From the open-plan kitchen and dining area to the dramatic double-height living space, private bedrooms, the bathroom follows the same modern approach, combining contemporary fixtures, refined materials, and a simple neutral palette. A spacious shower area and integrated vanity create a comfortable and functional environment. Subscribe to the Building Experts and follow us for more modern homes, architectural designs, and 3D walkthroughs.